Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable private processing in WhatsApp. So first of all, in order for you to see that feature, let's go ahead and make sure that our WhatsApp application is updated. Head over to Play Store and simply search for WhatsApp. If you see update like mine, tap on update and update your app. Then once you have updated your WhatsApp, open it, get logged into your account, tap on this three dot icon, select settings. Now in here, you have to select the chats button, tap onto it. And likewise, if you scroll all the way below, just below chat history, you will see private processing. Open it. And likewise, it says toggle on the button in order for you to enable private processing. It also says Meta AI can help you write messages and recap conversations you missed. Go ahead, enable it. And as you do that, you will have your Meta AI helping you with some missed conversations. And if for some reasons you're not being able to see private processing, just know that that might not be available to you in your region because that feature might be slowly rolling out. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.